Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the project phases for ODM domain move. We have two phases. Phase 1 is the plan phase. Phase 2 is the execute phase. During the plan phase, conduct a technical kickoff session with the client. Discuss the ODM domain move process in detail, the duration it takes for an ODM domain move, which can be anywhere from 4 to 8 hours for small size tenants and could be greater than 8 hours for larger tenants. Configure the ODM domain move project as the next step, and once the ODM domain move project is successfully configured, ensure that users and groups are matched within the project. This is a very important step because only matched users will have their address updated in the target. Now, once the plan phase is complete, move on to the execute phase. Always ensure that the execute phase is during a weekend. In the weekend, if you have migrations planned, ensure that all your migrations are complete for Mailbox, OneDrive, Teams, Unified Groups. Once all migrations are complete, then start the ODM domain move. Once the ODM domain move process is started, you'll be prompted to select the replacement domain and the target address assignment. You can select either primary or secondary or no updates. Once that step is complete, the process moves on to the next step, which is you have to make the MX record update if you have selected the advanced mode during the configuration. Or if basic mode is selected, then you can queue the mails in your delivery service. Once that step is complete, the process automatically moves on to the next step, which is the domain will be removed from all objects in the source, both from the cloud as well as the Active Directory. Once all references of the domain is removed from all objects in the source tenant, the process will automatically remove the domain from the source tenant. Once the domain is removed, the process will automatically add the domain to the target tenant, and at this step you have to perform the verification of the domain. A verification can be done by adding a text record to the public DNS. Once the domain is verified, the process will automatically move to the step of adding the addresses to the target objects. Once all addresses have been added to the target objects, then the process automatically moves on to the last step, and this would be the final MX record update step. Once the ODM domain move process steps are complete, ensure that you perform extensive testing, both external as well as internal testing for your users as well as applications or any other release servers. Thank you.